Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Oil and gas still working in this market, and there's a lot of great oil and gas stocks that we're trading over at StockMarketMentor.com. And as I was doing my scanning tonight, I found Flex LNG. Now, LNG hasn't gotten too extended in this market just yet. And if you look at just LNG, that ticker, you can see it's holding up nicely around that 50-day simple moving average. And FLNG is in a nice triangle here. I can draw a trend line from the high back here in April, downward sloping trend line. We get this beautiful little pattern here. And so what I want to see is a break above that line coming on higher than average volume from FLNG. Now that could be a potential trigger for a buy with a stop right under this line here. And so you're buying here and you're looking for it to do that. But if it does this, probably want to close that out because it's not breaking out. But I like the fact that this is just in a tight consolidative range over the last couple of weeks here. So FLNG is definitely on my watch list, and I think it should be on yours too. If you want to see what else we're trading over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.